Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like.
Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. It's Anna K. If you're new here, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. It's day 2 on the content trip. It's currently about to be 10, I believe. We've been up since 8. Everybody is sleeping still for the most part. It's only a couple of us that's awake, and we're about to, well, we had went and got Chick-fil-A at like 9 when me and Naya woke up, and we're about to go bring somebody else to the store because they just woke up and get something to eat and like get snacks and stuff for later, because yesterday they finished most of the juice and stuff like that, so we have to restock on that. Y'all, it feels nice outside. I brought sneakers to go with this outfit, but I think I'm gonna wear my sandals because I don't feel like putting sneakers on. I can't see. But yeah, y'all, day 2 of the content trip. We'll see how today goes. Yesterday I fell asleep on the couch drunk, and I didn't even stay awake for everybody to arrive, but I heard they had a good time, which is good. And then today should be fun. Yesterday was fun, so today should be fun. We'll see how it goes. I don't know what the plan is for today, honestly. I know the boys are going to play basketball, so I don't know what the rest of people that are staying back are gonna do, but we'll figure it out. So I'll check back in with y'all later. Hey y'all, so we currently at Walmart. We getting stuff for the crib. Say hey. Yeah, everybody waking up now.
Waking up? Who is everybody?
Everybody in the house. Talking about some
Bullshit.
Well, we getting food for the crib because when everybody wake up, they gonna be like, oh, we hungry, we don't got nothing to eat. Alright, I'm gonna catch y'all later. We at the house now. We about to make food. Well, they about to make some breakfast. Look, we got all these groceries. This one got my live tuck. I can see in the background. Look at this nigga right here.
First of all, you said my door is locked, so don't come in the room.
You did say that though.
You said it. So
I said my door is like nobody come in here until I come.
Call me or whatever.
No, you did not.
You lying.
What the fuck?
Y'all forgot about cheese.
You will be okay.
No.
Wait, what cheese?
Her case on cheese. No, it should be on there.
No, shredded cheese not on there.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah, it should be
Y'all
on
up there, I forgot to say something.
there. Girl, she was getting tired of my ass because I kept saying
No, yeah, they. All right, y'all. These the chefs that chefed it up. They got fruit.
It's nasty.
What else I got? They got eggs. Fat ass. I thought you was going in the pool.
Let's take a shower. Yeah.
You're gonna go in the pool after you go in the shower? Oh, the bacon. I said you're gonna go in the pool after you take a shower. All right, y'all. I'm finna grab. All right, y'all. So this is my plate. I only got a little bit because there's a lot of people here. Yeah, that's cool. I didn't take the pancakes yet. So all y'all going to who?
You gonna take our pictures today?
Should we?
We finished this. I'm gonna use my
Cause if they're going to the we're not gonna have much time in the pool if they're going to the mall. They said they're going to.
Yeah.
But I want pictures like this. Well, my pictures
Wait, what are we doing tomorrow?
Tomorrow,
The pancakes are good. Okay.
she made pancakes.
W meal. Yeah, that's cool. Okay, guys. So, I'm about to get ready to go take some pictures by the pool and then go in the pool. So I just put on this yellow bathing suit. I got a shirt that I'm about to wear with it, and then I brought my Crocs. I'm trying to think though, cause I'm about to do like a little makeup so I could take my pictures. But we're going to the club later tonight, so I don't know if I should be putting on makeup now, or should I wait to get cute for the club? You know what I mean? Even though it's not like a whole lot of, it's the shirt. So the shirt, the bottoms, and then the Crocs. But I don't know. I think I'm about to do my hair first so I can dry while I'm doing it. Actually, no, I'm gonna do my hair last, but I'm gonna slick down my thing a little bit. I'm about to band for a little bit. This is the key right here. This and the band, just to refresh, and you're good. Okay. I know I'm gonna take something in here and pop. What's this there? What was I gonna do? Okay, it's gonna take me a while to do my face, so I'm gonna just come back when I'm done. Alright, yeah, so this is the final look. Can you see? Let me step back a little bit. So I'm about to go to the pool. Yeah, we at the pool. Everybody in. They playing chicken right now. I don't know what the fuck. It was at this point where I knew I messed up. So for the next couple clips, all of them are mute. So I'm gonna just fast forward them and give you a summary of what was going on, because honestly I don't know why my camera keeps doing this. But for the next couple clips it is mute. In this one I had just came back from the pool, took a shower, and got in my PJs. I believe we were gonna go play hide and go seek in the mansion, so that's what I was on my way to do.
Shitting on all you little turds. Can't take that dick, wait your turn. In my own lane, we can't merge.
We're on our way to go grab some breakfast. And as you can see, this is my food. I had got some chicken. It was like chicken waffle sandwich. It was actually really good. So this is what we're doing now. We're just eating. We had got some breakfast for a couple other people in the house. So we're just eating that and chilling right now.
Smoke out the pound when I'm chilling. Trapping, I made me a killer. Look, I got everybody wishing.
I'm just changing to go to the pool. As you could see, the theme for today is pink. Yesterday was yellow. So that's what I'm getting ready for now. And then you're gonna see me in the next clip at the pool for a little bit.
My equal, I don't know what you heard. Crank up the phone, I swear. Keep me a stick if they purge.
Alright, y'all. As y'all can see right now, I'm getting ready. I should probably update y'all before I started getting ready, but we're rushing. I got 10 minutes to be downstairs. We're going bowling, and we're supposed to be going to like either a club or a hookah lounge. But a lot of people here aren't 21 plus, so we don't know how the club situation is gonna go, but we'll figure it out. So that's what we're doing right now. He's getting ready to go out for that. I'm beyond ready to go because we've been here. Like, it's been cool. Like, I'm not saying like I've been bored or anything, because people here are definitely chill as fuck, but we've been in the house all the time that we've been here for real. So definitely need to get out and go outside and explore, because who let this stay in the house all day every day? I don't even do that at home, and I'm supposed to be vacation. It's not clicking, Steven. It's not clicking, Steven. They said be at the door by 6. It's currently 5:53. I think I'll be ready. I'm done. I'm just baking. I'm not baking, but just sitting my face. And oh shit, I gotta do my hair. Okay, maybe I won't be there. Let me do my hair. Okay, I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, so we just got to the Bolorama place. I can't even really vlog in here because they got music playing. But I lost my fucking wallet. I don't know where I put that shit at. So, that's fun. bit. Little bitty. Little bitty. Not too much. Little bitty. You, hold on. Go ahead and get it. I'm gonna show you something though. Okay, go. What you got it? How you feel about that? I'm trying to lock in. I'm gonna lock in. No, you gotta do the speed. Alright. That's nigga. Get up! 3, 2, 1. Here now. So we just got back to the crib from the bowling alley. We about to make some TikToks and shit. Because why the fuck not? We ain't did shit all trip. Might as well. Right? Yeah.
Maybe on that one.
Okay guys, so I just got dressed. We're going to the... We're supposed to be going to the club, but I don't know how that's gonna work. So, let's see. Hold on. Alright, y'all, so we out here. I don't know what street this is called, but it's a strip of bars and stuff. So we're gonna see if we can get into one of these. I did lose my ID, so I hope they take a picture of it. I don't know. I'm low-key tired, but I'm trying to be positive. Why the fuck? Oh, we cute as fuck, nigga. Yeah. So this is the fit for tonight. I'm so tired. I'm getting tired of these folks. Look at Negative Nancy right here. Negative Nancy. Negative Nancy. You know what he Huh? He's annoying. Oh my god. Everybody. Wait, no.
Hey y'all. Let's get live with it, yeah. Go Kay. Go Kay. Go Kay.
I'm so hungry.
Eat your chicken. That's crazy. I can see right now.
Alright, y'all. So just chilling and drinking for the rest of the night.
Hey y'all.
Hey, y'all.
ItssAnnaKay. Bad type shit. Nah, Kay the baddest bitch ever.
Hey y'all, it's Cbat. Y'all make sure y'all follow me _Cbat on all platforms, Instagram, TikTok, type shit.
W promo. As well. Alright, we're obviously lit. So we'll probably end the vlog here. So if you haven't already, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm gonna catch y'all in my next video.